Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable balance transfer notifications with Chase, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable balance transfer notifications with Chase, start by opening your web browser. Go to the official Chase website. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the Communication Preferences option. Click on Communication Preferences to access your notification settings. Find the section related to balance transfer notifications. This may be listed under Account Management or Notifications. Select the option that allows you to change your notification preferences. You might see a checkbox for balance transfer notifications. Uncheck the box to disable these notifications. After making your selection, look for a Save or Submit button. Click on it to apply your changes. A confirmation message may appear, indicating that your preferences have been updated. If you prefer, you can also manage your notifications through the Chase mobile app. Open the Chase app and log into your account. Tap on the menu icon, usually found in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Notification Preferences in the Settings menu. Locate the Balance Transfer Notifications option. Toggle this option off to disable balance transfer alerts. Ensure your settings are saved before exiting the app. You have now successfully disabled balance transfer notifications with Chase. If you need further assistance, consider contacting Chase customer service directly. They can guide you through the process if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.